Caleb Griggs here with High Flow Drainage Solutions. We are in Lee Summit, Missouri this morning, working on solving a pretty major drainage issue for our client. What we have going on here is we have a system that was installed by a landscaper hired by this developer that built these 3 homes at least, and more than likely this entire neighborhood. This landscaper, I'm not trying to be mean, but he was not qualified to install this drainage system. Most landscapers are not. This is why we exist. We specialize in drainage. But I digress. What we have going on here, we have a drainage system running down along the backyard behind these homes, starting at the second home uphill. The drainage system consists of 12-inch square catch basins connected together with perforated pipe. So here's our first problem. Perforated pipe was used to pipe out all the surface storm drainage water that is being collected behind these homes. So essentially what you've done, you've safely managed to capture a bunch of surface storm drainage water, and then you run it into a pipe with holes in it, a perforated pipe, and you're leaching it out along the entire backyard. In fact, you're just helping it get down to the ground. Really, we should have seen a solid pipe leading from catch basin to catch basin. There's nothing wrong with using perforated pipe for a French drain. You just need to keep rooftop water, catch basin water separate from it. Okay, moving on. Right, we have a yard drainage system running through the backs of these yards. We have downspout drains, basement sump pump drains for our client's house and the neighboring home. Also a few downspouts there from the neighboring home. All the downspouts on my client's home and a few from the neighboring homes tie into, along with, the backyard drainage system. They all come together in one 4-inch discharge line. Mind you, one 4-inch discharge line, and empty into the curb inlet basin by the street there by the back of that truck. So here's our second issue. We have a large backyard drainage system that is emptying into one 4-inch pipe. We have multiple downspouts, an enormous amount of rooftop water, and basement sump pump discharge lines coming into one 4-inch discharge line that emits into this storm drain. One 4-inch discharge line, that's not even closely large enough to handle the amount of storm water that we're seeing enter the system. And to boot, when you're dealing with a drainage problem like this, when you're dealing with a drainage system that is handling downspout drain water, basement sump pump water, storm water in the yard, you really need to have separate discharge lines for each of the different components of the drainage system, or else if, say, the yard drainage system becomes overwhelmed and during an active God rain and fails, the rest of your system fails because everything is dependent upon one discharge line. So if the yard drainage system fails, again, for instance, you'll have water coming out of the tops of your downspout drain risers, falling right beside the basement foundation. And that is a recipe for a very, very disastrous flood in your basement. This water pouring out of downspout drains right beside the home. If during a heavy rain event, we've seen it happen many times. We've heard many stories from clients where their downspout drain system was installed improperly. It's overwhelmed. The sump pump can't keep up. They wake up in the morning to a giant mess in their basement. It's not a fun thing to wake up to, not a fun day at all. So you got, on a system like this, you got to be careful. You got to think ahead. You got to keep separate discharge lines for each of the components of the drainage system. So in conclusion, there was a lot of heartache, a lot of wasted money that could have been avoided in this situation had the home building contractor given us a call. Drainage, it's what we do. We're quite frankly good at what we do. And, we're here to solve your problems for you. We want to make sure you're taken care of the right way the first time. So if you're looking for a drainage contractor to entrust the solving of your drainage issues, or to install just a standard downspout drain system, and you want to make sure that it's done the right way the first time, give us a call.